Looking for a powerful drill without overspending? You're in the right place. Best cordless drill for the money. Buyers want performance, durability, and value combined. In this video, we'll explore reliable options perfect for DIY projects, home repairs, and everyday drilling tasks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. DEWALT DCK240C2 Cordless Drill Kit. The DEWALT DCK240C2 Cordless Drill Combo Kit stands out as a dependable choice for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who want strong performance without overspending. Designed with a compact and ergonomic body, this drill easily reaches tight spaces where larger tools struggle. The lightweight construction helps reduce fatigue during long working sessions, making it suitable for furniture assembly, repairs, and everyday drilling tasks. Its high-performance motor delivers impressive power, producing up to 300 unit watts out, while the included impact driver generates strong torque for fastening jobs. Integrated LED work lights with a convenient delay improve visibility when working in dim areas such as cabinets or garages. The half-inch ratcheting chuck grips bits securely, ensuring quick and reliable bit changes. One-handed loading on the impact driver adds convenience during busy projects. Overall, this combo kit offers excellent balance between power, portability, and durability, making it a practical option for beginners and experienced users looking for reliable cordless performance. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER BDC 120 VA 100 Cordless Drill. The BLACK+DECKER BDC 120 VA 100 Cordless Drill is a great value option for users who want an all-in-one solution for household projects. Powered by a 20V max lithium-ion battery, the drill stays ready whenever you need it, eliminating downtime between tasks. Its 24-position clutch provides better control, helping prevent overdriving screws or damaging delicate materials. The soft grip handle enhances comfort, especially during extended use, making it ideal for beginners or casual DIY users. One of its strongest advantages is the included 100-piece accessory kit, offering a wide variety of bits and attachments suitable for drilling, fastening, and general home maintenance. The Power Connect battery system adds flexibility by allowing the same battery to work with multiple compatible tools. Lightweight and easy to handle, this drill performs well for furniture assembly, wall mounting, and everyday repair jobs. For homeowners seeking affordability, versatility, and convenience in one package, this cordless drill kit delivers excellent overall value.
Number 3. DEKOPRO 20V Cordless Drill. The DEKOPRO 20V cordless drill is designed as a complete household toolkit, making it an excellent starter option for new homeowners or DIY beginners. Equipped with a 20V lithium-ion battery, the drill charges quickly and delivers sufficient runtime for common home tasks such as furniture installation, repairs, and light drilling work. With a maximum no-load speed of 1,350 RPM, it handles wood, plastic, metal, and wall drilling efficiently. The cordless design reduces user fatigue and allows easy movement around the workspace without cable restrictions. What makes this kit unique is the large selection of included tools neatly organized inside a sturdy carrying case. From screwdrivers and pliers to measuring tools and a hammer, everything needed for everyday maintenance is included in one portable toolbox. The drill's lightweight feel and simple operation make it suitable for both men and women handling DIY projects. Overall, this kit offers convenience, versatility, and practicality for general household use. Number 4. DEWALT DCD771C2 Cordless Drill. The DEWALT DCD771C2 cordless drill remains a popular choice thanks to its strong performance combined with a compact, lightweight design. Built to work comfortably in tight spaces, this drill is easy to maneuver during installation and repair projects. Its high-performance motor delivers 300 unit watts out, providing enough power for drilling into wood, plastic, and light metal surfaces. The 2-speed transmission allows users to switch between precise fastening and faster drilling applications, improving overall efficiency. A half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck holds bits firmly, ensuring stable operation and quick changes. The ergonomic handle enhances control and reduces strain during longer jobs, making it ideal for home repairs and DIY construction tasks. While not intended for heavy masonry or industrial applications, it performs exceptionally well for everyday household needs. Reliable battery performance, solid build quality, and user-friendly handling make this cordless drill a dependable option for regular home use.
Number 5. CRAFTSMAN CMCD 700C1 Cordless Drill. The CRAFTSMAN CMCD 700C1 cordless drill offers dependable performance for users looking for a practical and affordable drilling solution. Featuring a high-performance motor producing 280 unit watts out, this drill is capable of handling a wide range of fastening and drilling tasks around the home. The 2-speed gearbox provides flexibility, allowing slower speeds for controlled screw driving and higher speeds for efficient drilling. Its 1/2-inch keyless chuck enables quick and simple bit changes, saving time during projects. An integrated LED work light improves visibility when working in darker spaces, such as closets, workshops, or under cabinets. The included 20V Max lithium battery delivers reliable runtime, while the fast charger minimizes waiting time between jobs. Compatibility with the VersaTrack system adds convenient storage options for organized workspaces. Comfortable handling, solid performance, and practical features make this cordless drill an excellent choice for homeowners, DIY users, and light construction tasks.